Hello students, welcome back to science class. Today we are moving on to the 6th chapter, that is changes around us. Changes around us. This is the 6th chapter in your NCERT textbook. Okay, so when we talk about the changes, so what kind of changes are there when you look around? Okay, you can see different changes. Okay, when a child grown up to old age, what happens in between? A gradual change is taking place from childhood to adulthood. Right? Yes. When a leaf falls down, there you can see another change. Okay. And when you burn a candle, the burning of candle, some type of change taking place. And melting of wax. After burning, when the candle melts, that time you can see some other changes. Okay. So I hope you got a small idea that different types of changes which happens in nature. Right? So you can classify the changes into two. Okay. The changes can be classified into two. The first type of change, it is irreversible change. Irreversible change. And the second type of change, it is the reversible change. Second change, it is reversible change. Reversible change. Okay, I will show you. I have a paper. Okay, I am just tearing the paper into two. Right? So, is it possible to go back to the original paper? Original A4 size paper? No. Which cannot be reversible. Right? So what is irreversible changes? Irreversible changes are the changes which cannot be reversed. Then what is reversible change? What is reversible change? I will tell you a small example. So water, it can occur in which form? Liquid. Normal water is a liquid form, right? Liquid. When you heat it up, you can see that the water converted to vapor. Water converted to vapor. Vapor means which state? The state is gas. After, again, when you keep it for freezing, okay. So, water freezes to get ice. Ice attain the form solid. Look at here. The water can exist in three different states. The first, it is the liquid form. When you heat it, it may convert it to water vapor, it is gaseous form. And when you cool it, it will convert back to ice form. Okay. So, it can exist different forms. Okay, and this type of change is the reversible change. So what is reversible change? Yes, the changes which can be reversed. The changes which can be reversed is the best example. Here you can see the best example, water. Okay, this is an example of a reversible change. Okay. Reversible changes. If a change can be reversed, it is called a reversible change. You have already learned, right? This means that it is possible to get the new object back into its original form. A reversible change can take place both the direction. Okay, both the direction. This means this change can be brought about by natural processes as well as by human activities. Okay, First example, look at here. Make a paper boat from a newspaper. So what you have to do to change the shape of the sheet of paper from a simple rectangle into a boat-like shape? You now want to make something else from the same sheet of paper. How can you do? It is simple. Just unfold the paper and make an origami aeroplane. In this way, you can change the board back into the sheet of paper. Then use it to make an aeroplane. It is possible, right? Yes, you can make it. Let us study some examples of reversible change. Take a balloon and blow air into it using mouth. So you should take care because it should not burst. You notice that balloon changes the shape and size. Look at here. Now let the air escape the balloon and notice it. The balloon regains the original shape. This type of changes is called reversible change. Take some flour and try to make a dough. Take some dough and make a ball. Then try to roll out of a roti. Maybe you are not happy with this shape and wish to change it back into ball of dough again. This type of change is called reversible change. Okay, take a balloon and blow it into its size. Tie its mouth with a string and pick it with the pointed up with a pin. Yes, it's burst. It means it cannot regain the shape. Once it burst means it burst. Roll out the roti from the ball and again you can make it into a tawa. Yes, will roti again back to original shape? No. It can't regain the original shape because it is a irreversible change. Yes, suspend a rubber band and steel spring from a separate hooks near a wall. Mark their position onto a wall. Now add a weight of 100 gram to each. What do you see? The rubber band and the steel springs get stretched. The rubber band stretches more than the steel spring. Make their new positions and remove the weight and observe. The rubber band and the steel bands return to their original positions. You can conclude that stretch of rubber band and the steel springs is a reversible change. Now change brought about by heating. So what happened? Place a wooden block under that end. Put a needle between the metal rod and the wooden block. Stick a pointer on the needle as shown in the animation. On heating the metal rod, you can see what happens. Yes, because of the heat, it rapidly expand the solid. Right? Yes, on cooling it moves downwards because particles of solid contracts. This demonstrates solids also expands on heating and contract on cooling. Okay, this can be reverse. Now, take a water in a kettle. Okay, place the kettle on a glass burner and wait for a few minutes till the steam comes out of freely from the mouth. So, the water which is liquid state is changed into its water vapor. Place a few ice cubes on the frying pan and hold it in a slanting position as shown here. What will happen? You will notice that the steam condenses to form droplets of water on the underside of frying pan. These droplets of water trickles down the slight frying pan and then starts falling. Collect these droplets in a glass. Put the glass in a refrigerator. So the water will convert it back to ice cube. This I have already told you, this experiment. Right? Water can exist three forms. And the last, take some potassium permanganate and add to water and just till it's make it a stir it till it's become purple color. Now crystals potassium permanganates are seen there. The mixture thus obtained is a solution. Heat the solution till the vapors comes out and let result. You can see the potassium permanganate crystals reappears. So this is a reversible change, right?